Alright guys, I'm back out here with the Hubsan H123D. I'm going to use the Eachine E100s, so I'm going to give that a shot and see how well I could fly it and see if I could do a little acro as well, guys. So I hope you enjoy and don't laugh too much at my flight. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, that was super fun with the little Hubsan H122. I had a blast with this thing. You can see I chewed up a bunch of grass there, so I've had to clean it a few times. Haven't broken the props, I thank the Lord for that. So no props broke, but I did order an extra set. But yeah, I already crashed it. Actually, I crashed it when I wasn't even in acro. That's pretty sad. Acro I did okay, but I was sloppy all over the place. I think after that firmware update, it's going to make a major difference, you guys. That's what I hear. So anyways, you know, the Eachines worked really well. I was able to see just fine. So alright guys, hey, thanks for watching. God bless, cheers, and happy flying.